Finally it's raining, so I brought my orchids outside to hang out on my plumerias and other plants to get some rain and enjoy the benefits of having rainwater. That's my new den culminatum, and it's gorgeous. More mounted phals, and one of mine that's in bloom. Sorry about the mess. Right here we have one of my cuttings, my plumeria cuttings, and it is blooming, and it's been an absolute delight. And another one of my phals, and my table's a mess. It's a workspace, sorry about that. And here we have even more. Everybody gets a little rainwater, because there is nothing better for a plant. And of course, I shouldn't forget my queen goddess, my Eulothea petersii. Look at the healthy new pseudobulbs on that one. Isn't that just amazing? Look how huge they are. I am really excited about this orchid.